Today we will talk about cocopeat, which has become quite popular for gardening nowadays. We will see what is cocopeat, how to use it, and its benefit in gardening.
Hey everyone, I'm Swati and you're watching Backyard Gardening. Let's get started.
So this is a cocopeat block that you can buy online and it's available in different sizes. Like this one is a 5 kg block. Cocopeat is made out of coconut husk. It is powdered and compressed in the form of blocks like this. And you can get blocks of different sizes that varies from 1 kg to 10 kg also. It can expand up to multiple times to its original size. How? Let me show you. Now let's check out how to use it. All you need to do is keep it in a bucket or in a tub and then add good amount of water. Basically until it absorbs all of it and you will see it expanding. Now you can see it has risen well to the size of a 40-liter tub. Now wash it at least one more time and it's ready to use. Many people say it has some salt content to it, so washing it at least twice is advisable. But earlier I have used it without washing it twice also and have never found any problem with it. And now the cocopeat is ready to use. Now let's talk about why it's considered as a good medium in gardening. Cocopeat is lightweight, porous, airy, and more importantly, it holds moisture for longer. It doesn't catch fungus and it decomposes over the period of time when mixed with soil and compost for preparing potting mix. Hence, it becomes a very good option to mix with soil. Now, let's talk about its uses and benefits. Cocopeat is very lightweight and it's porous and airy as well. So, adding it to the potting mix makes the pot lightweight, which means you can easily shift your pot from one place to other. And it's highly recommended for hanging baskets to make it lightweight. Next benefit of cocopeat is it holds moisture for longer, so you don't have to water your plants frequently. It makes the potting mix porous as only soil in the pot becomes hard and compact over the period of time while watering it, which is not good for plants' roots. So, mixing cocopeat with soil and compost is a good option. It's a great medium for seed germination. Also, you can grow cuttings in cocopeat for faster rooting. Coming to the last point, cocopeat can be used as a mulch for potted plants. It's great for plants, especially in summers.
I hope you find today's video helpful. That's all for today, guys. See you soon with one more interesting video. Bye bye.